Samsung has exploded higher plus 8.22% to $309,500, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Sunday, July 5th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Risk assets are outperforming as investor confidence strengthens. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is broadly flat at $7,483.24, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that European stocks rally to cap best week since May, markets wrap. NASDAQ 100 is down -1.61%, trading at $29,329. Equity markets are responding to reports that RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Dow Jones is up +1.14%, trading at $52,900. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. DAX edged higher +0.78% to $25,779. The move follows reports that stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East. FTSE 100 is trading higher by +0.25%, at $10,679. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung made a dramatic move today, surged +8.22% to $309,500. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung profit surges over eightfold to beat estimates as RE boom fuels memory chip crunch. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. Northrop Grumman made a dramatic move today, surged +5.59% to $549.01. Equity markets are responding to reports that Northrop Grumman, NOC, has a long-cycle deterrence and mission systems engine bigger than a budget debate Alpha Street. Government IT and classified programs provide stable base earnings that are often underappreciated. The next intercontinental ballistic missile contract is a potential large upside catalyst. Watch for any DoD budget line item commentary on space programs. Meta made a dramatic move today, plunged -4.90% to $582.90. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Meta's next RE bet has one major catch for investors, Yahoo Finance Singapore. WhatsApp monetization is the next major revenue unlock, still largely untapped outside of India's business messaging push. AI infrastructure spending is heavy, but the ROI is visible in ad performance metrics. Any positive user growth data from emerging markets would be a catalyst. Apple surged +4.84% to $308.63 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Apple stock forecast, can Apple Intelligence spark the next iPhone supercycle? Trading key. The market is pricing in a multi-year AI-driven super upgrade cycle. That may be optimistic on timing, but the services business provides a floor to earnings growth. Near term, any iPhone demand commentary from Asian supply chain checks will move the stock. The Vision Pro trajectory is less relevant for near-term earnings. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that stock market today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound economy Middle East. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Investor sentiment is being shaped by RE spending, earnings hopes, Fed outlook set to sway us stocks in second half. Turning to commodities. Brent crude ticked up to $72.13 per barrel, up 0.46% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that oil's supply wave, tumbling prices rekindle fears of global glut, the Business Times. WTI crude ticked up to $68.78 per barrel, up 0.13% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that oil's supply wave, tumbling prices rekindle fears of global glut, the Business Times. Natural gas climbed to $3.25, up 1.53% on the session. The move follows reports that Stock Market Today, Japan's Nikkei and South Korea's Kospi rally as tech shares rebound. Economy Middle East. Gold climbed to $4,187.30 per troy ounce, up 1.81% on the session. The gold move is partly driven by safe havens aren't behaving like they used to. Here's what's changed. Let us give you our near-term view on Samsung. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for Samsung sits around $328,070. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.14, gaining 0.55% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.33, gaining 0.08% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 161.34, losing 0.74% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to European stocks rally to cap best week since May. Markets wrap. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.